Hello my friends and good morning. My name is Pantelis and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these plastics. From the point of view of the biker it seems quite ugly, and from the front I'm not so sure if it's okay. We must unscrew the two bolts here. I already unscrewed this bolt and we'll see. Now as you can see you must pull up this plastic so to release the tail light. Oh, okay, nothing happened. And now we connect here. Okay, we put it inside. If it goes from the other side, goes easily. Okay, and now we screw this bolt. Okay, let's see the results from here. Okay, stealthier, looks cleaner, it looks great. And in front, I believe it's better. Turn on the light. Okay, you can see it. And the other side. Okay, I'm not so sure about the result because I don't like the holes in here. Maybe I put the screws in the holes so not to look like this. I think the result is good. I cover the holes here, and I believe the only reason the Italian designers took this plastic here is only for maybe European regulation. Maybe the turn signals must be outside the body for some centimeters. I don't know, I'm not sure, but hope you like it. Okay, thank you very much. See you.